Getting in and out of your Toyota Highlander shouldn't feel like a workout. Whether you're helping kids, family, or just want that bold SUV look, the right running boards make a huge difference. In this video, we'll break down the best Toyota Highlander running boards that combine style, durability, and real-world practicality. Let's find the perfect upgrade for your ride. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we've got the Saremas running boards for the Toyota Highlander. Built from stainless steel and aluminum, these things are tough, rust-resistant, and rated to handle up to 500 pounds with no problem. The slip-proof surface gives you solid footing, which is a big win for families, kids, and rainy day exits. Installation is super straightforward. All hardware is included and there's zero drilling, so no stress about messing up your SUV. You also get both sides in the box for a clean, balanced look. Bottom line, easy install, solid build, great value. Now let's roll into number 4. At number 4, we've got the APS Board running boards. Compared to number 5, these step things up with a massive 6-inch wide, solid one-piece design that gives you noticeably more foot space and stability. Built from polished 6061 T6 aircraft grade aluminum, they're seriously tough and highly resistant to rust and corrosion. The full-length UV-resistant non-slip tread pad adds extra grip, so getting in and out feels secure every time. Installation is quick and painless with the included boards, brackets, and hardware. Just bolt them on and you're good to go. Designed for Toyota Highlander models from 2014 to 2019, they deliver a great fit, clean look, and excellent value. Perfect for families too, especially when kids need an easier step up. Now let's move on to number 3. At number 3, we've got the HEKA running boards. These step things up from number 4 with compatibility for 2020 through 2026 Highlander models, including hybrids. Built from S-steel and aluminum with an anti-rust coating, they're designed for serious durability. They've passed 10 salas and fatigue tests and support over 450 pounds without flexing. The oversized 4.72-inch stepping surface and anti-slip design deliver excellent stability and comfort. Plus, they make roof access easier for cargo or cleaning. Installation is DI-friendly with pre-drilled alignment instructions and video guides. Clean look, strong build, great value. Now let's move to number 2. At number 2, we've got the Snailfly running boards. These edge out number 3 with a more sleek, polished look while keeping the build strong and reliable. Designed for 2020 through 2026 Toyota Highlander trims, they're made from durable extruded aluminum alloy. The 4.7-inch stepping width and anti-slip rubber surface provide a secure, comfortable step, supporting up to 400 pounds. They also make roof access easier for cargo or cleaning. Installation is simple with a bolt-on setup, though the boards and brackets ship separately. Great fit, sturdy feel, and a clean, finished style. Now let's reveal number 1. At number 1, we've got the TAC Running Boards. These top number 2 with a wider 5.5-inch stepping area for better comfort and stability. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum with marine-grade T304 stainless trim, they're tough, durable, and highly corrosion-resistant. The full-length corrugated rubber pad delivers secure, slip-proof footing, while the polished edge adds a premium look. Installation is quick with a simple bolt-on design and included hardware. Owners love the fit, quality, and value. For 2014-2019 Highlander models, this is the clear winner. That wraps up our picks for the best Toyota Highlander running boards. Whether you're upgrading for style, comfort, or easier access, there's a solid option here for your SUV. If you want to check prices or grab any of these running boards, you'll find all the links waiting for you in the description below.